My name is Jeff Zlotnick, and I'm a Dharma bum. When I was 4 years old, my family in 1979 moved to San Diego. So it was my parents and my two older brothers. So I grew up here in San Diego, in Del Cerro, went to elementary school, junior high school here, and then I went to Arizona for college. While I was in college, I was studying to basically get a PhD in clinical psychology, and I wanted to go on to be a counselor and a therapist. Life was kind of going by and things were moving along pretty well, but something I just missed. The world just didn't make sense to me. It didn't make sense at all. And it took a long time until I looked back and I realized that the only thing that was making me angry and depressed was my own mind. The root cause of our suffering is our desires, our cravings, our attachments. So what I share with people is not drop out and go ship off and go to a monastery. What I share with people is that if you simplify your life a little bit, if you didn't have so many things, you wouldn't need so much money, you wouldn't need to work so hard. So you're not so tied up in, a typical Western way of life of I must go out and make a bunch of money so I can buy lots of stuff. The life of a Dharma bum has always revolved around daily, day-to-day basis, the Dharma bum temple and taking care of this place and knowing that as soon as that door opens, somebody's walking in and they got a lot of stuff going on and they're coming here as a place of refuge, as a place to find peace. And in essence, your life revolves around taking care of everybody else who's seeking some sort of refuge. So life of a Dharma bum is being very patient and slowly allowing people when they're ready to learn a little bit about Buddhism and making it accessible for them in a language and in a place that they're comfortable with. And that's why the Dharma bum temple's here. There's a saying that when the student is ready, the teacher appears. Buddhism is not about achieving necessarily something or going somewhere. It's about being fully at peace every moment, every day, everywhere you are, regardless of what's happening around you. As soon as we are born, we're one step closer to being gone. And any moment that we spend in anger, any moment we spend in sadness, depression, misery, we're missing out on something right in front of us that is beautiful and perfect. All I know for me is I try to work on my mind and my heart and my intentions. And I think if everybody does that same thing, then the state of the world is going to be much better.